Hi guys, welcome back. We're looking at more currency quotes. So we have two right now. We have the first one, which is euros in terms of U.S. dollars. You gotta make sure you take a second to read these correctly. And the second one is U.S. dollars in terms of won. Right? And with these two quotes in mind, we have to find what is the bid for euros in terms of Korean won. Now you understand that the bid is the first number in these pairs, and the ask is the second number. So we're just looking at the first number in the pairs. And to do this, we're going to multiply the first bid by the second bid. And the reason this works out is if you look over here on the right, I kind of did this multiplication based on the currency pairs. So because think of the U.S. dollar here as the numerator on a fraction, right? And the euros is the denominator of the fraction. So numerator is U.S. dollars, denominator is euros. I put the E instead of the fancy E because my keyboard can't do the fancy E, so we gotta live with this. All right, and then the won, South Korean currency, is up here in the north, numerator, for the north, and the U.S. dollars is here in the denominator. So let's pretend, this is just to give you an idea why this works, right? If we multiply these two fractions, quotes, air quote, fractions together, what happens? So that means US dollars time the US dollar symbol times the W will give us the dollars and W in one fraction. And the E, the euros times the dollars will give us the E and the U in one fraction, right? And then we'll have a new fraction. But then we have dollars, and that means we'd have dollars in the numerator and dollars in the denominator. So those would cancel out. And once they cancel out, what you can clearly see is we would just have the W, the South Korean won, in the numerator, and we'd have just the euro E in the denominator, right? And when we read that, that'll tell us that we have that would be this being read would be euros in terms of South Korean won, which is what we need, euros in terms of South Korean won, right? So how to do the math behind it, right? So we would take let's bring up the calculator, clear this out. So we would take the bid price, right, and times the other bid price. So that'd be 1.3675 times 1250.5, 1250.5. I was getting confused, but we gotta remember that this is in terms of South Korean won, so the number might be misleading, but it is correct. Okay, and that means that the bid for euros in terms of South Korean won would be 1,710.0587. 1,710.0587. And this is the bid price for euros in terms of South. I'm clicking too many bad things. Okay, Korean won. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Anyway, so what we did, multiplied the two bid prices, and then we just demonstrated why the US dollar signs cancel out, and what we left with in red in normal terms, which is W over the E, or won over euros, is euros in terms of South Korean won, and this is our answer. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope the explanation was adequate enough, and I hope it wasn't too long. Thank you very much.